I'm gonna pick you up someplace, and we're gonna do something, and I'm gonna out Haitian you.
Listen, I am Haitian. Why you want to out Haitian me, man? I am Haitian, man. On your team, how you want to Haitian me?
Over rap, right? So we always want to take over shit. And you're Haitian, but I'm gonna take over. I'm definitely more Haitian than you. I'm pretty much already more Haitian than you. You see this hat? Genuinely, what's the word? Genuinely fabricated straw. Ça passe, man. Straw hat.
You hear what I said?
Répète ça.
Ou pas tendez samedi.
Ou pas tendez.
Samedi.
Comme entendu.
Yeah.
Ou pas entendu.
Samedi. What I said. Did you hear what I said?
Ça que moi me dire.
Ouais.
Oh la expression, ok, regardez. Ou ka. Alors vous dites pas de cas.
Non, on dit pas caca, c'est guadeloupéen.
Ouais. C'est quoi?
Ou pas tendez samedi.
Ou pas tendez samedi.
Voilà.
See, I'm mad Haitian. I've been telling you that. Ou pas dans... Cut. See, I'm already more Haitian than you. Alright. Cut 2. Alright. Ou pas samedi.
Ou pas tendez samedi.
Ou pas m'tendez. That'd be a better mess up in the vine itself. Ou pas m'tendez.
Ou pas tendez samedi.
Ou pas m'tendez.
Ou pas tendez samedi.
Ou pas tendez samedi.
Yeah.
See? Ou pas tendez samedi. See, I'm already a better Haitian than you are. See? Ou pas tendez samedi. Look at this guy, you're trying to get credit off my mess up. What a freak vine.
C'est Wapcon George. C'est Wapcon George. It's very easy. I'm a better Haitian, eh? Put that. So I'm a better Haitian. Wapcon George.
I
don't know.
You should play the white boy, but then no, I'm supposed to be playing me right now. You're playing the Haitian.
Yeah, because I'm Haitian and you white.
But I'm me.
No, you white.
I'm white.
Yeah, you white.
I'm white.
You.
I'm very white. Okay.
You.
Yeah, I got.
You're not very white, but you very white.
It's whitefulness. I got it.
You.
I understand.
You flower white.
I am,
You flower white.
I'm in character.
You white.
In character.
You Columbia white.
No problem. I'm transportable white.
Huh? No. No.
Con ou com?
Con.
Putain, on parle français et anglais en même temps sur la même vidéo.
Parce qu'en fait, le créole haïtien, c'est un mélange africain, français et anglais.
Ouais. Attends, Wapcom.
Wapcon, like con. Yeah.
Con.
Ouais.
Ah, et espagnol aussi, con, avec, non?
Non.
J'ai dit.
Wapcon George.
See, I'm already a better Haitian than you. No. Haitian. How do you say? Haitian.
I am better Haitian than toi. I mean, and then you know.
See, I already a better Haitian than you. Than toi. Huh? Wapcon George. I'ma tell you. No,
that was actually good.
No idea what that means. No. But anyway. Alright, so what do you want me to do right now? Put music in or?
Be white.
How do I?
You don't know how to be white?
Well,
you've been white all your life. You don't know how to be white.
So you want me to be me?
I want you to be white.
Yeah, me.
No, I want you to be white.
What's white if it's not me?
I want you to be white.
Then what am I?
Act white.
Okay.
You don't know how to act white?
I do know how to act white.
Well, act white then.
All right, well, I'm trying, man. You have to understand me. I have feelings. You can't just be yelling at me all day.
Oh.